Kuyani akachen so kuyani the brochure form. The expectation is a Bruno Bewu Asana germinati.
Yeah.
Asana P. Sabruncha from the expectation of the farmer and they say after a period of time I will say a germinati.
Yeah.
Now a ma like a Bruno. What you say?
Yeah.
To build the woman country when this rebuilding is going to end and when we should expect glory. Monkayo, into rebuilding now 1 year, but rebuilding 2 years. Now a bonus from now pro a bebasro. Then Kotoko supporters will be in perpetuity, waiting in perpetuity. Because there will be excuses after excuses all the time. That is not Kotoko. But them to understand.
A process, and it's a rebuild.
Kotoko ni process. Kotoko ye event once. Pie anu pie. Sana Kotoko subantie. Oja say. Enti a challenge na some dem o nana say. O mu team mami. Na so na mo team. Go beyond what Nana is expecting. Now expectation Nana say move for 1 year within half a year Nana ya Africa. Ya ready. That is what is do for. No do for the Obama pampa mo krokro mo build the team mami Africa. Team you build no maybe free muko. And just standing team e wa. Then say Lamte ya ma build the team around him. Enti bi obako.
Yeah.
Enti sanity
no be abeshim.
Yeah, sanity. Enti no enya rebuilding no.
You say build a team around a player or an individual.
Oh, you can build a team around a player. Coach Bo on more or ban philosophy said this player. May Prosper Ogum the first appointment, you know. Largely he built a team around Lamte. Uche Kotoko matches at a point in time as Mebekawa. So Uche Lamte Kotoko bomb match at that time. Uche Lamta in Fege or useless. Mebekawa. He built a team around him. And it was clear. All Kotoko matches are showing like clear say Lamte Nyane elements now. Kotoko is on the way to victory. What you say?
Okay.
Enti Mamu repeated rebuilding man on Kotoko for supporters team to accept mediocrity.
No, but the pressure is also too much.
No, the pressure
is too much.
That is Kotoko for you.
So I will say support and all my pressure.
That is Kotoko for you. The pressure has always been too much. It has always been there. The pressure has always been with Kotoko. And then Kotoko nani ebe Kotoko. The pressure even previously pressure no was not a tough crossing say. And the rebuilding no moon lower no.
That's a lower no.
Moon lower rebuilding no. Na lower there. And the who reduce the might of Kotoko not to be something small.
No, but I know ornament yes or reduce the might of Kotoko. Team Ninkoye and Obia Yahweh supporters ni Yahweh. So they expect a quick change in the team. And the woman they two supporters and because a Kakanga they will get there.
Me catch the Bia me say Oko fat team beat Kotoko as a coach or as a management member or as CEO, chairman, general manager, managing director, Oko fa Kotoko. First and foremost, the question you should ask yourself is what is the nature of this club? Yes, no. Club we ni su any the band to say. Now, make my measure me who two ni su any the band one na before you accept it. Because you should know, sir, this is a club that does not accept just any mere excuses. This is a club that is always want to be on top. And do I know the nature of this club? And can I meet the expectations and the nature of this club?
Now they are compared to the reality.
Where is the reality?
Maybe
the reality on the ground is that
yeah.
Kotokono and Sisai and Kotoko Ako Division 1 Asaba, and you see the reality on the ground and say, and they are Division 1, if Division 1 crab and Che. The reality is that Kotoko, one of the biggest clubs in Africa and biggest clubs in Ghana, one of them. What you say? Now, bigger than some of the clubs, or bigger than all the clubs except one,
or even bigger than all the clubs.
No, it cannot be bigger than all the clubs. Bigger than all the clubs except one.
According to
it is straight knowledge. It obia jitum say bigger, but a bigger arguable. You see, anti ubefa sa club now. Ask yourself, do I know the nature of this club? Do I know the expectations of this club? Even so, say we lower the expectations are. What ubefa club no? Let your followers understand. Set Nanaka, we are building a team. Give us up to 1 or 2 years. We'll present a very formidable team that can conquer Africa. Give us timelines.
And the timelines now here.
No, you know this year say building.
Me support too.
Yeah, the boy just say timelines there. CCI ya building in perpetuity. The supporters will be expecting when. What you say? Nana say. Nana se otu fasam no kra dem bisam opim so asem fa nto nchen
ade ne fa nto
ono waka na asem awie go and perform beyond the expectations of Nana.
I know now we expect it.
Yes, perform far and timelines in Maninya so close. Nana ka say yam build it. You use only 3 months to build a formidable team. Now we are going to tell Otumfo, give us another so and we'll storm Africa.
Yes, sir. Can you use 3 months to build a formidable team?
Can you use 3 months? Can you use 1 season to build a team?
So that's what.
Maybe use 1 season to build a team. And to go and tell Open Soul, Nana, give us this year. We are building a team.
Yeah, 1 year grace, so man. Yeah, 1 year grace, so man. I'm coming through. What's your What's your classmate? Your classmate. I don't know. Man, once I see you be back, I say, Kotoko big or outside, but inside, small.
No credit.
That's the point. And this now you realize this here. And you know, man, me small within inside, you know, we are going to build that thing. And the who's a football, the dynamics has changed. They say Nkra and the ball. Under 20, actually, the way is here, is it here? And crying about ball. We have speed, we have stamina, we have energy. We have sad physique in his head in the ball. And there's no person crying to me who groom on mucha. Also, picking grab from baby 18, 3 years, what you may maintain. But I come here to be free. No, I could to be a show. See, yes, I process now. I just to say, and go for the new kind. Echo, and me a penny, but my own mean do dimachi. Abe Sam Abo Brana Chem. I was some to some ye bibi and ye into some trans na me bibi.
No,
because I shall see here and get trader. But you do be able to mash us. Yes, yes, Master Miss Abraham. Yes, yes, I was say a team starting here building. And here catch supporters and say, Yenim say, Ampa, Kotoko dear, Oba who expect baby. But they say you say your problem into me and about 10 a.m. build it into me a day.
And go pem da ben.
Yes, it's no man's yes, it's a minimum. That's it to me 2-3 years. And send it to me, and yet men are growing because now we are not looking at league. South Africa. Yen need the boys 2,000 money will be. Yen be. And this say that is our target.
Okay.
And league.
Just last one. Just a second. Do you believe the Ghana football are good?
Engui grad.
And Tomo Makasa Ghana football are good. Uno Munyajo.
Now, oh yeah,
okay, Matthias. Oh, Matthias.
Product be.
Oh, Matthias.
Fanatic people. People more of the passion for it.
So Ghana football in Mati.
Mate, me and Nase.